When it comes to promoting mobile apps, two ad platforms dominate the conversation: Apple Search Ads and Google App Campaigns. Both are powerful, both reach massive audiences, and both can help you grow installs across the United States and Canada. But they work very differently, and choosing the right one depends on how you want to acquire users and what kind of app you are running. Let's take a closer look at how they compare. Starting with Apple Search Ads. This platform lets you reach users directly inside the App Store, right at the moment they are searching for apps like yours. That timing is powerful because people on the App Store already have high intent. They are not just browsing, they are ready to download. Apple Search Ads appear at the top of search results, on the Today tab, and even in suggested apps. It is one of the cleanest ad experiences because the ads look almost identical to organic listings. The targeting options are keyword-based, which means you can pick exact search terms or use match types to reach similar queries. You can also target by demographics, location, and device type. For mobile developers, this makes Apple Search Ads one of the most direct ways to convert impressions into installs. The cost per tap might be higher, but the users you get often have better retention and lifetime value because they found your app while actively looking for something similar. Now let's talk about Google App Campaigns. This platform takes a much broader approach. Instead of showing ads only in one store, Google promotes your app across all its major channels: Search, YouTube, Google Play, Discover, and even partner sites. You provide the ad assets, such as text, images, and videos, and Google's machine learning system automatically tests combinations and optimizes them for the best results. It is less about manual control and more about automation. For freelancers or small agencies managing multiple apps, this can save a lot of time. The campaigns focus on either install volume or in-app actions, depending on your goal. Because Google has such massive reach, it can quickly scale exposure and find new audiences. The cost per install is often lower than Apple's, but the traffic can be broader and slightly less intent-driven, depending on the targeting signals and creative performance. So which one is best for app acquisition in the United States and Canada? If your goal is high-quality iOS users who are ready to download now, Apple Search Ads is the clear winner. If you want to reach a wider audience, test creative combinations, and scale quickly across platforms, Google App Campaigns will give you more flexibility. Many developers actually use both: Apple Search Ads for precision and Google App Campaigns for reach. In the end, it depends on your growth strategy. Apple Search Ads help you own the App Store search experience. Google App Campaigns help you build brand awareness and scale fast. The best approach is to combine them, measure install quality, and adjust your spend where you see the strongest return. Both platforms can drive success. It is all about using them strategically to reach the right users at the right time.